Good morning, and welcome to Philly Live. I'm your host, Aunyea Lachelle. We've been telling you guys for months about our campaign to support local businesses, all in the name of love. And we are so excited about our new partnership with Visit Bucks. So to kick it off this morning, we are heading to Bristol Borough. I recently got a tour of Dad's Hat Rye Pennsylvania whiskey. It is a locally owned distillery with sales across the globe, you guys. But the owner believes home is where the heart is. Take a look.
We do it from, when we say farm to bottle. We take grain comes in the door and bottles go out the
door. Here in Bristol Borough at Dad's Hat Pennsylvania Rye Whiskey, the name speaks for itself.
We're making Pennsylvania style rye whiskey. Pennsylvania, like I said, is where American whiskey was born.
Herman Mihalich founded the distillery in 2011 and named it after his father, who owned a tavern in the 1950s and had quite the hat collection. And after dominating local and national markets,
we're in 22 states and 300 stores in Pennsylvania.
He's now expanded to Europe, Taiwan, and Hawaii. But the key to his success is the company's local roots.
We work with farmers right here in Pennsylvania. The farmer we get most of our rye whiskey from is, they've been growing rye on that land since 1716. This was a bag of grain, full of grain from a farm right here in Bucks County. Okay. And in the fermenters is where a lot of the other magic happens, where the yeast convert that sugar into alcohol, but also a lot of really tasty flavors.
Dad's Hat is revered in Bucks County for their tasting room, tours, and accessible products. So when the pandemic hit, they started an online store exclusive to Pennsylvania residents.
Only in Pennsylvania. We deliver through our web store. People can order and we deliver through UPS next day.
A fan favorite is their pocket cocktails, which include an old-fashioned, Manhattan, and a new mixture they're about to debut. So we are going to make the Boulevardier.
Boulevardier.
One more time.
Or Boulevardier.
Boulevardier.
There you go. You don't want the cocktail to be too strong.
Right.
So
well, why not?
Well, you want to enjoy. You don't want to be knocked on your tail right from the beginning.
Cheers.
Cheers.
To Dad's Hat Rye.
Thank you.
Ooh.
Oh, you went for a taste of it? Oh, good.
I did. I thought we were tasting. Herman, you leaving me hanging?
Oh, yeah.
That is fire.
That's good stuff.
Dad's Hat still hasn't opened its tasting room or offered tours since they shut it down back in March, but you can still buy products online and in stores. We've got more details for you in the Philly Live section of NBC10.com or the NBC10 app.